Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is not an exciting day today on the channel. It is a very sad day for the beauty community. Jaclyn Hill has announced that her and John are getting a divorce, and I could not be further from shocked. I know that was the rumor going around, and I knew that they were obviously having problems, but just knowing that they're past and that they've been together for 8 years and they got married out of high school and were high school sweethearts, and they had drug problems before, and just everything they made it through, and they just bought a house together, like just moved in in like October or something, and I mean seemed happy as could be, and then it was just like bam, something clearly obviously bad happened. But it's like, how bad could it actually be that they actually get a divorce after everything they've been through? I don't know. I just like, she was the first YouTuber I ever started watching. I only watched her literally until like the middle of last year. I literally didn't watch any other YouTubers, and I just obsessed over her. She's what got me into YouTube, and I just loved her. I still love her. It's been kind of sucky without having her like really present on social media and YouTube much, but this has just put me in such a bad mood. Like, I'm honestly like genuinely really upset about it. So yeah, to get back to the point of today's video, we are going to be doing, or I'm going to be doing because nobody's helping me, the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. So I've seen this one going around. I have no idea who started it. Obviously, big YouTuber started it. But yes, so I've seen Manny's video, Manny MUA, and he did it kind of differently, where he just typed in a product and then whatever Google suggested, he used it. But then I heard like the actual rules, or the way that you're supposed to do it is, you know what, I'll just show you how. As you guys can see, this is the picture that Google gave me from the rules and everything I typed in. This is the picture it gave me. So it's just a random picture with triangles and craziness on it, but it has blues, pinks, and purples. So I'm going to be incorporating blue, pink, and purple into my look tonight. So as you can see, I already have like my face and everything done and my eyebrows done. So I'm just going to be doing like eye makeup, a little bit of highlight, and a nice color, and a lipstick. So I'm going to start out with the eyes. I have this Athena palette that is like one of the Huda Beauty palettes from the Hush app that I've used once or twice in one of my videos. And there's a kind of a purplish color in here, so I'm going to use that purple color to kind of be my base to this look. I'm going to grab a fluffy brush and just dab into that pretty good and start going back and forth. Just kind of in the whole lid area and a little bit above it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is grab a little bit of a more stiff, smaller brush. And I'm going to go in with this purple, like a royal purple color here in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I want to like use different shades of each color, so I'm trying to like figure out a way to kind of incorporate all of them into the look. So I'm going to just put this in like my crease area. So now I'm going to go in with the color right next to it in the Jaclyn Hill palette, this blue color. I don't have my little sheet that says the names of them, but this is the color I'm going to be going in with next. I'm going to take this really stiff little brush from Morphe. I've been using 3 different brushes from 3 different sets from Sephora and Morphe. I'm going to just dab into that color a little bit. Actually, I'm going to spray my brush with some MAC Fix Plus so that that goes on really nice and shimmery. And put that in the outer corners of my eye. And I'm not going to worry about how good it looks right in this area because I'm going to be doing a cut crease today. So that little bit of that area there will be covered up with concealer. And I'm going to go back in with one of my brushes and go back into that darker purple color because it kind of covered it up a little, and just make sure to get that really in the crease again. Colors are kind of similar, so honestly it made them kind of blend together. Okay, I'm gonna go over with that big fluffy brush again and get that color out of the Athena palette, that light purple, and kind of go over the top of this just to hopefully buff it out a little bit. And add a little bit of the pinkness back into a pinky purple. Now I'm gonna grab my concealer. You guys know I use the No Filter concealer from ColourPop, and get that on this stiff little brush here. It's a little bit dirty, but I kind of patted it off. And just wipe it on that from the applicator. And then go in starting from the inside. And stopping like kind of in the middle of the lid. Don't want to go too far because I don't want to cover up all that blue. Okay, so I'm gonna hurry before that dries and get the same precise brush I used on the dark blue, kind of wipe off the excess of it and spray that with MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm gonna go in with the color, I think it's called Pool Party, in the Jaclyn Hill palette down here at the bottom. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with that, one of those same brushes I use, and grab that dark blue color and try to buff the sides out a little bit so that that's still showing. You get them just mixed in nice with each other. To clean this up a little bit because it's looking a little messy, I'm going to just use a makeup wipe and kind of get it at an angle. That wasn't part of the plan, and I did do my foundation already, so I might have to apply it a little again, but it'll be fine. Okay, finally got that kind of fixed back to goodness. So now I'm gonna go underneath the eye. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this like magenta pink color up here on the Dare to Create palette, and kind of smudge that under my eye. So now I'm just gonna go back in with Pool Party, that teal color on my lid right here, and put that more close to my waterline. So now I'm going to go in and line the top of my eyes. I'm using my Maybelline Master Precise Eye Studio liquid eyeliner. Alright, time to put a coat of mascara on and then the lashes. So I'm just going to put on this Lash Paradise mascara from Maybelline. I almost said Morbline or something. Everybody's like loving it, but I'm not kidding. Mine dried out and I've used it like 3 times. It's super dry, like really dry. Like I really have no idea what happened. It's like brand new. I'm gonna have to go in with a different mascara just because that one is horrible. I'm going in with the Double Decker by Butter London that I got in a BoxyCharm. This one's also starting to kind of dry out a lot, but I've used this one a bunch, so it's kind of like understandable. Unlike the other one that I've used literally like 3 times. Alright, so to add like a little more pop to the eyes, I know with these colors a white eyeliner will stand out and make it look even better. So I'm going to add some white liner on the bottom. Alright, so to finish this look off, all I have left is lipstick, and I actually have a purple lipstick. I have 2 purple lipsticks. One is MAC Heroine, and then I have this, which is a more purple, like the other one's kind of magenta. So I want to go in like super purple, because a lot of the colors in the picture were purple, and we have more blue on the eyes than purple. So, I've said purple like 100 times in one sentence. I'm going to put that on now. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot one of the most important parts. We're gonna add some purple or blue, purple highlight to the cheekbone area in this Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette that I got in a BoxyCharm. This went really good for a rave, so I'm just gonna get my new Y14 brush. I bought this to put highlighter on with, and just dabble in that purple. Get that on the brush real nice and good. Oh yeah. We're going all out. I mean, that picture's pretty wild, so had to get pretty wild too. This does make your cheeks look chalky though from the front angle, but from the side it looks cool. Put a little blue on the forehead. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's really bright and crazy and colorful. It's kind of like a peacock, alien, rave look. I really actually like it. I'm one of those people that doesn't wear all like nude eyeshadows and stuff like that and boring things. I mean, it's not boring, they're nice looks, but I do like to step out of my comfort zone and get some colorful looks in. It's really stepping out of my comfort zone to put any makeup on that's more than foundation and mascara and everything, because I've told you guys I don't put a lot of makeup on for work. So trying any new looks is always fun for me. But yeah, so I don't know if you guys want to try this look out yourselves. It'll be fun if you're going to like a party or a concert or something like that. But yeah, we can thank Google for this look and thank everybody that came before me on YouTube who put this challenge together. I love challenges. And I have another one kind of like this coming up, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you hit the back button and get out of here. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great night or a great day wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.